Hello everyone, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we found a car which is 2080 Geely New Vision. Now I will use K518 Pro to program the smart key for this car. We need to prepare a K518 Pro OBD communication cable, an original car key and a new smart key produced by our Lonsdor. Okay, let's do it!
First, we choose Generate Smart Key. Choose Geely. Find the Vision. Select the 2016 to 2020 to gold battery clip. Put our key in the sensing area. Click Generation. OK. Generation successfully. Return to main menu. The second step is to select Demo and Remote. Choose Geely. Geely. New Vision. Choose Waze Peps. Program Key. This feature will remove all smart keys. All keys need to participate in programming before they can be used. It can program up to 2 keys. Click OK. Select the fourth set of ESC passwords. OK. Please put the first key into the sensing area and click OK. Program successful. Continue to program the next one. Click OK. Please put the second key into the sensing area and click OK. Program complete. OK. Now, let's try it. Can the key start the vehicle normally? The new key hits the brake. Press the start button. The new key starts the car successfully. The original car key hits the brake. Press the start button. The original car key starts the car successfully. Let's try again to see if the remote control is normal. Original car key lock car. Unlock. New key lock car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
Programming successfully. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more surprise ahead.